let's face it, soccer is not the USA's #1 sport. Far from it. I'm talking about playing as well as the fans. Since Americans are Aruba's #1 tourism market, many of the tourists have been able to experience how we on the island watch the World Cup. Because of this, many Americans are now tuning in to watch the games.
Being Americans, I'm not really exposed to soccer all that much, and it comes across as being stodgy and boring a little bit, and it was actually very exciting. It was more like a hockey game than it was a soccer game, in my opinion, so it was pretty exciting to watch.
Well, I was here in town when the Brazil was going on, and it was crazy. And then I thought, it can't get much crazier than that. But then being here for Holland yesterday was just nuts, and we really enjoyed it. The atmosphere is just so much more fun, and just makes it a better vacation.
Well, it's wonderful, as my husband said, to just see the energy, and it makes us excited and makes us want to stop and watch as well. I will be buying a t-shirt. We came downtown just to do that, so it will be a soccer t-shirt or a football t-shirt. So we're excited. We love the energy and the diversity and all of the energy that we see others that are expending on watching the World Cup.
USA has done surprisingly well in the World Cup. They were drew into a group that was considered the pool of death with Germany, Portugal, and Ghana, but USA made it through to the round of 16. The American team plays Belgium on Tuesday. Later on in the show, we'll speak to how proud Americans are despite the fact that soccer is not quite as popular over there. And on that note, we will be right back. Take a look to see what is coming up next.